Hello, in this video I will be going over the Calendar tab under Calendar and Scheduler settings. First off, make sure that you have clicked on the Calendar and Scheduler settings section here on the left-hand panel. From there, click on the Calendar tab. You will then be able to see a display of your calendar, which you can view either by week or by date. In this case, I have my calendar displayed for the week of July 5 through 11. We'll be going over the display of the calendar in a moment, and I'll explain what each of these color-coded boxes indicate. For now, I'd like to draw your attention to the top of the screen. Here you can select to view your calendar in different ways. So you can either view your calendar by group. This defaults to all groups once you click on the Calendar tab. If you are listed under multiple groups in ConnexEd, you'll be able to see all the occurring events for each group under the All Groups option. Other than that, you do have the option of also selecting to view your calendar under each specific group that you are listed in. In this case, I am only under the General Counseling group, so whether I click on all groups or General Counseling, I will see the same display. But if I were listed under multiple groups, I would see different displays based on that group. On the right-hand side, you can select to view your calendar by the type of event. So this is defaulted to select all when you first click on the Calendar tab, and then you can go in and select which types of events you would like to display. Down here in the actual calendar display, you'll see different colors. So at a glance, you'll be able to identify what types of events are going on in your schedule. So for example, on Monday, July 6th, I can see that I have an orange box for certain appointment slots. The orange boxes indicate a video appointment that has been scheduled by a student. So those video appointments will take place on Cranium Cafe, and these appointment slots have already been set by our office coordinator ahead of time, so students are able to view them on their end as they make appointments on the Student Support Hub. The green appointments here indicate telephone appointments. So I can see here what to expect on a given day as well as a week if I have it displayed as that. So I can quickly see here that on Monday I have several video appointments as well as telephone appointments, and then Tuesday I mainly have telephone appointments. The boxes that are shaded in gray with diagonal lines are busy events, and these are also set by our office coordinator. Busy events usually are for our office time as well as any meetings such as our counselor meetings. Please note that anytime that you want an event or any occurrence on your schedule, please make sure to follow the proper protocols in terms of scheduling and submit the schedule change form if necessary, or speak to your office coordinator. Other events that you might see on the calendar that I don't have displayed here are sometimes boxes that are displayed in blue, which are series, which could be reoccurring series that can be set. In this case, I don't have it set up. And then once you go into the calendar integration portion, which you'll learn about in one of the next sections, you will be able to sync your calendars to either Outlook, Office 365, or Google Calendar, and in that case you'll be able to see synced events, which would be displayed in orange with diagonal lines. So this is just a quick overview of the calendar section to get a better understanding and have more context on what's going on as you see this display. Hopefully this was helpful to be able to get that basic overview. And again, in the next sections, we'll be moving forward to scheduler settings and then finally calendar integration.